Hi guys, since I have started my YouTube channel, many friends and many people have been asking me how I created my YouTube channel. Even I still did not meet the YouTube requirement, I decided to make a new video about how to create a YouTube channel and how to monetize it. So watch this video till the end and stay connected. Firstly, I will show you practically how to create a YouTube channel, and I hope this video will be useful for whoever will want to create a YouTube channel. So guys, you have to enter in your YouTube channel, and when you enter in the YouTube channel, on the top of the page there will be a sign in. So you just click on the sign in and there will be a page. That page, there will be email or phone. For the people having already an email, if they want to use the same Gmail account, they just have to type the email here. But if you want to create a new Gmail account for your YouTube channel, you have to come down and click on create account. And then you have to fill the thing that Google is asking you to do. Josephine. And as it is a new Gmail account you are creating, you have to click on create a new Gmail address instead here, and you have to Josephine Dumba. Then for the password, then I will just click to check my password. Yes, it is the same. And yes, then phone number, month. Okay, I will choose May 11992. Then gender, rather not to say female. Next, I hope you guys can see as I'm doing. I will click not now. I won't read all these things. I will just click on I agree. And tada! My Gmail account is created. Now I have to activate it as a YouTube channel. Let's wait it to download. Then the Gmail account is already created, so I have to activate it as a YouTube channel. I will just come again on the top of the YouTube page and click on the Gmail and create a channel. I hope you can see it properly. Then I click on create a channel, get start. I will put use your name, and yes, my channel has been successfully created, and this is a way you how to create a YouTube channel. Set up later. And yes, my YouTube channel is created. So guys, this is the way I created my YouTube channel. I hope you easily understand this way, and don't skip this video, watch till the end, cause you will know everything about YouTube. And right now I will give the conditions required to get your YouTube channel monetized. When I started my YouTube channel, many people have been asking me if my channel got monetized. It's not like when you create your channel today, it will just get monetized. No. You have to meet some requirements that YouTube is asking for. The first one is you should get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours public watch time within 1 year or 12 months. The 4,000 hours of public watch time is like when you upload a video, the time the people will be watching your video, when they add this time together, you should give 4,000 hours within 1 year. When you get all these 4,000 hours public watch time along with the 1,000 subscribers, YouTube will send you a message through to your Gmail account that you have fulfilled the first condition of YouTube monetization. I will show you this condition through the laptop, and let's go. So guys, this is the YouTube channel we created together, and the page that was open is still the same. You have to click on customize channel. When you click on customize channel, you have to come on the top of the page, click on video manager. It's downloading. And just click out, then I come here. You get, this is the monetization site. You click on monetization, and you will just see that YouTube has the first condition of monetization here. You have to fill 1,000 subscribers as I told you, and 4,000 hours public watch time, or 4,000 public watch hours. And I already explained this one to you, so this is the one I wanted to show you. It's just here, and you can see on the bottom side, YouTube has placed notified me when I'm eligible, and you have to click on that. And YouTube will send you an email when you are eligible to apply for YouTube monetization. So guys, this is about the first condition YouTube is asking for to get your YouTube channel monetized. I will give you the second condition, that is about the eligible countries for YouTube monetization or partnership. Not all countries are eligible for YouTube monetization or partnership. There is about 153 countries that are eligible for YouTube partnership, and I will give this country just now. So guys, for the eligible countries for YouTube monetization, I just enter Google and type eligible countries for YouTube monetization, and the list of this country will just show to me, and those are the list. So these are the country names eligible for YouTube monetization. And this is the last one, Zimbabwe. So from Algeria to Zimbabwe. This is the name of all the countries that are eligible for YouTube monetization or partnership. But if your country does not belong to this country or the country I have listed above, I will tell you what to do. If your country does not belong to one of these eligible countries, you can contact a person who stays in one of these eligible countries for YouTube monetization. When you get that person, you ask the person to create a YouTube channel for you from his contact, which means his phone number, and YouTube will automatically detect the place he is. So this is what you should do if your country does not belong to the eligible country for YouTube partnership. Finally, when you get the 1,000 subscribers, the 4,000 public watch hours, and if your channel belongs to one of the eligible country, you have to create and activate an AdSense account. To create your AdSense account, you have to go on Google and type AdSense account. The first link that will show to you, you have to click on the link and follow the procedure for your AdSense account creation and activation. I will show you this procedure practically. Let's start. So guys, for the AdSense account, I will come on Google and type AdSense account. So I will click the first link Google is showing to me, as I told you in the explanation. Then the page will open to me and I have to click on sign up now. So I have to fill all these things AdSense is asking me, and I have to put my URL. So I have to go back to my YouTube channel page and type here your channel. When I click on my channel, there will be a youtube.com channel you see showing on the top of the page. Then I have to select it by clicking on that and doing Ctrl C. Then I have copied it and go back to my and do a Ctrl V. So I have pasted my channel. Then I have to put the email address of my channel. That is, you guys see, is just showing here, Josephine Damba, what I have written to the YouTube channel. Click on this. Now I have to select this, save and continue. Continue on YouTube. and the page will just come to me. You can see it here. This page will just show like this because my account has not met the YouTube requirement. But once you have reached the YouTube requirement, everything will be shown to you properly, and you have to follow whatever AdSense is asking you so that you can receive your money through your AdSense account. So guys, this is how to create and activate your AdSense account. But why should we create an AdSense account? The thing is, YouTube does not pay you directly through your own account. YouTube will pay you through AdSense account. When you receive your money from the AdSense account, you can now transfer the money through your own account and take your money from the bank. So this is all about YouTube and my knowledge about YouTube. And you should also know that YouTube pays based on the country you belong, I mean the eligible country, as I said above. And thanks for watching my video. I hope this video was useful to you. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.